Welcome to Sheboygan Chevrolet Chrysler Center. Today's special is a GM certified 2018 Chevy Impala LT, stock number Z9341XX. 17,000 miles on this Impala. Comes to us with a clean auto check history report, black in color. To be GM certified, the vehicle goes through a very strict 172-point inspection, giving you the balance of a 3-year, 36,000-mile bumper-to-bumper and a 6-year, 100,000-mile powertrain warranty. You also receive an additional 12-month, 12,000-mile bumper-to-bumper warranty and 2 years or 24,000 miles of scheduled maintenance. The Impala is a very safe vehicle, 5-star front and side government crash rating. It's in the large car class, seats 5. Lots of legroom for the rear passengers. Split seat back folds down to accommodate longer cargo items. Backup camera for additional safety. Spacious trunk, one of the largest in its class. And very clean, no dents or dings in the body. This LT has keyless entry with remote start, power windows, locks, mirrors, power driver's seat, along with a tilt and telescopic steering wheel to put you in that perfect position. Large, easy to read gauges with driver information system, operated by buttons on the steering wheel, cruise control, large touchscreen infotainment system for radio. It's also satellite radio capable. Bluetooth connectivity for hands-free phone use or to connect other Bluetooth-enabled devices. Great for wireless music streaming. And that is, of course, where the backup camera display is. Dual-zone automatic temperature control to make sure everyone's comfortable. 6-speed automatic transmission with manual shift capability. Lots of storage space in the armrest. USB and auxiliary input allows you to connect those media devices. A large glove box with all the owner's materials inside. Under the hood, this Impala has a 3.6-liter direct injection V6, 305 horsepower, and just as clean under the hood as the rest of the vehicle. EPA fuel economy estimate, an average of 19 miles to the gallon in the city, average of 28 on the highway, and approximately 60% of the tire tread left. Don't forget about that GM certification, protecting your investment. For more information, please go to SheboyganAuto.com.
Choose Sheboygan Auto. We're conveniently located at 3400 South Business Drive or at 2701 Washington Avenue in Sheboygan, Wisconsin. SheboyganAutos.com.